cheesy pizza.
Just smell the cheese.
Smell the cheese. Yo, man. It's a late start. It's a late vlog, but we've been
Good day today.
pretty productive. Mushroom. How was it?
What did we do today? This is the laziest day I've ever had.
Laziest day.
So we ran at least 5K.
5K this afternoon.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, but prior to that, we didn't really do anything. We just slept all day.
Basically ate and slept.
Ate and slept. And this is a feast right now coming up.
We do not deserve this, so
Well, we do.
yeah,
We do.
sure. We had to go all out.
All out. Yeah, this is the lemon. This is lemonade here.
Lemonade, I know. Watermelon, cucumber.
Water lemonade, cucumber. Yeah, it's everything. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, thank you, thank you. All right. So we got a pizza. We got some potato croquettes. We have bolognese. Yeah, thank you. Get a potato salad. Oh man, we got a lot of food for a 5K run. It's wild.
Thank you. Any crispy potato?
Yeah, just throw it here. I'll see.
Thank you. Yeah, ketchup and then mayo. Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, just can you address the bitter salad? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect.
Wow.
Enjoy, guys.
All right, thanks.
Sorry, buddy. It's tomatoes.
It's all good. Oh, that's good. The bolognese. Yeah. Crazy day. Anyways, catch you in a bit. The next day.
Yo, did you sleep right away yesterday?
No.
What time did you sleep?
10:30.
I think I was out at 9.
You're out quick.
9:30.
You're really tired these days. Makasi. Ooh. 2 coconuts already.
Oh yes, it's a young one. I can tell.
He only wants the young ones.
So young.
Alright,
So
this is
much
called the vitamin C. It has carrots, dragon fruit, papaya, watermelon. It's good. Yummy, yummy. Good morning, folks. It is November 12th, 2019. Today is our last full day in Gili Air. As you can see, I've done my scuba gear, and we will be heading out for 2 fun dives this morning. So just waiting for Jason. He's just in the washroom doing his thing, and we're gonna head out and meet up with the crew. Should be good. Should be a turtle place. Not sure what it's called again, but there's an area where there's a lot of turtles, and then we're gonna maybe a wall or something like that. But should be a good one. Should be a good one that even Jason can handle. Where is he? He's just there somewhere. And then come back, and then we're just gonna chill. Didn't vlog much yesterday because we just slept all day and slept on the beach, and then really did nothing besides run. Yeah, so like I said, today's our last full day, and then tomorrow morning we check out and we head back into the city. Well, back to Bali, and we'll be staying in Seminyak for 2 days. Really simple place, nothing spectacular. And we're just gonna do our last minute things. Jay has to get some souvenirs. I'm gonna take him out to a night market, check out some local food. And then we head out to Singapore the next day, well, which should be Friday. How are you feeling, sir?
$1,000,000.
$1,000,000.
Doing great.
And then we fly out to Singapore for 4 days, 3 nights, and we just eat, and we'll eat more.
No, I'm on a diet.
Says the one.
After last night.
Trolls me. Just keeps on making me spend more money. Like 10 times my budget every night.
10 times.
I went from $2 dinners to $20 dinners.
Oh yes.
Because of
worth it.
this guy right here.
I'm worth it.
This guy. this bully. He's like, it's only money. Or in Cantonese, chinjama.
Just money.
But yeah, so that's the week. So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. The day is hot. We just finished breakfast and it's already, I don't know, 30 degrees. Feels like 30. Yeah. Anyhow, I will see you guys on the boat. All right, ciao. Alright, we are back, folks. We are back from the ocean after 2 back-to-back dives. This guy did it. He survived. How was it?
Saw a bunch of turtles, some shrimps.
It was real. It was like the Africa, but the ocean.
Seeing everything.
Seeing everything real.
Oh my god.
He's excited.
It was really good.
And we're just having lunch, a local lunch, and then we're just gonna head back and just chill. 2 fantastic dives. We had Amy as our instructor, which was amazing, really amazing, calm, cool,
Super cool lady.
very cool. And what else? The first dive was alright. We saw a few things, some sharks, some mantis shrimps, barracuda, turtle, which, you know, was good. It was good. And then our second dive was pretty epic. We went to Turtle Paradise, which was a haven for turtles, and it was just turtles everywhere, just lounging, chilling. Jay never seen so many turtles in his life.
Apparently that's not common.
Yep. Too many turtles.
Saw like 7 of them.
7.
They're so big, I never realized how massive they are, man. Really cool.
But yeah, they're probably the biggest this table here.
Yeah. So,
table here.
so impressed.
Yep. We saw, what else did we see? We saw some mantis shrimps chasing each other. Yeah, but yeah, it was pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. Wish you were here, Colin, to see all these aquatic animals.
Missing out.
You're missing out, bro. Missing out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this dive session. We're done. Let's relax, go home, pack, and then tomorrow's our travel day. Here we go again, travel day.
Stops. Fun
But-
river stops.
Yeah. So yeah, gonna eat lunch and then head back and chill. And that's it for today. Island life.
Another day.
Another day of island life. Woo! All right. See ya. Whoa.
And I think the other one that owns the goat is Eric.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm vlogging right now.
Man.
Yo, man.
What's up?
What's up?
YouTube, Planet Earth. What's up,
Yes, as you can see, we are walking on the beach.
people? One last night.
This is our last night, and we are heading out for dinner. Actually,
3 nights of pizza.
3 nights of pizza. This is our 3rd night going to Mama's Pizza.
It's very traditional.
Yeah, very, very traditional. But we do have traditional lunches.
Yes, that
Right.
is true.
We do go for the traditional. You can hear the cicadas in the background. They're loud. But you should hear the salamanders when they swear at you. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
Sounds just like that.
Just like that. First night we're like, what the hell is that? Who's swearing outside? Fuck you, fuck you.
They're waking you up.
But yeah. Yeah, so we just chilled on the beach with coconuts and watched the sunset. What a romantic time.
It was great. Took a bunch of photos.
Yeah.
Great.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. After our dive, we just napped for like 2 hours. Well, I napped for 2 hours.
Oh, yeah,
I don't know what about Jay.
A little bit, but you were really knocked out, man.
Yeah.
It was good. You were basically who I was yesterday.
Passed
so
out.
passed out.
Too
Can
much.
barely open your eyes.
I know. I was just like in one spot and
Good ass nap.
good ass.
That's what I usually say.
Too excited seeing those turtles today. Massive turtles.
That
A lot
was
of
amazing.
turtles. Jay's first time diving.
Saw like friggin' 7 turtles. They're so big.
Real
Yeah, it was amazing.
turtles.
Didn't know they were that big.
Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't give a shit.
You know, ZFGs.
The ZFG turtles
Yep.
doing their thing, man. Really cool.
So good.
Lots of fish too. Can't even count. My eyes were just all over the place.
Jay was all over the place. I watched his head just bobble all over.
Oh, what?
What?
Like that dog from Up. Oh.
It's all over the place.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Gonna miss this, huh, Jay?
Not looking forward to going home. Apparently it's like 15 centimeter snowstorm. So
Yeah.
enjoying this while
Don't
I
worry.
can.
Don't worry. Don't have to tell me about it.
Oh, I'll remind you.
Don't need
I'll
to
send
remind.
pics.
Yeah. All right, our bills are done. Paid our bills. And oh, what's going on here? Epic sunset too.
Yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures.
All right. Yeah, so I just finished paying off the resort on all their dives. So tomorrow we are good. Tomorrow's got a couple hours in the morning before we head to the port, and then we head over to Seminyak for 2 days to do some touristy things, get some souvenirs. Well, not me, Jay, and that's it. Whoa, epic here.
That's a cool shot.
Oh man. Epic sunsets right now. We're crossing another resort and it's just amazing.
Jadi kalau di kampung kayak gini kan lagi sini banyak orang anak-anak tuh nggak dikasih keluar.
Yeah, we're at this pink resort. It's all pink. Pretty epic. Pretty damn cool. Gonna miss these epic sunsets.
Pink sky. Miami Vice.
How's it, Jay? You look very satisfied.
3 in a row, man.
Look at this.
Good pizza. Good ass pizza here.
How much is this? Like 10 bucks?
10 bucks each?
10 Canadian?
Yeah. Well, this is pretty big pizza, actually.
Amazing. Amazing.
Why change a good thing? You know what's good. So.
Such happy man.
Yeah. Yep. This was extra $1.
For the drink.
Do the Arab.
The hangover drink.
Too bad we couldn't get the beach table.